Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Lexus GX460 door handle. This task can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's a straightforward process. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to the final checks, ensuring your new handle is installed correctly and functions perfectly. Let's get started and restore your vehicle's functionality and appearance. Before beginning, gather your essential tools. You will need plastic trim tools to prevent scratches, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a T30 Torx bit. A ratchet with a 1/4-inch socket will also be very helpful. Start by gently prying off the small plastic cover behind the door handle and the armrest panel. Remove any visible Phillips screws and the Torx screw located inside the door jamb. With the screws removed, use your plastic trim tools to carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips. Once loose, lift the panel upward to detach it. Disconnect all electrical connectors, including those for the window switch and door lock. Then, unhook the 2 cables from the door handle mechanism. Typically, the green cable is on the bottom and the white on top. Finally, remove the main door handle assembly. Now, install your new door handle by sliding it into place and securing its bolt. Reconnect the 2 door handle cables, ensuring they are properly seated in their respective housings. Plug in all electrical connectors, making sure each one clicks firmly into place. Carefully align the door panel and push it back onto the door frame, snapping all clips into position. Reinstall all screws. Finally, test both the interior and exterior door handles and the lock mechanism multiple times before fully closing the door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.